Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Diego Morales and today I'll be presenting my level environment that I made with my own art pieces and my complex art piece that I made in the 3ds math engine. This is an ancient environment based on Greek architecture, and this is the environment I made so far. It has a garden, has a type of entrance fountain, and has the complete piece you can consider, kind of thing, like the whole thing over here. Or you can consider this a complete piece, but I tried to use the cloth function, but I'm gonna show it soon. This is the environment, but I'm gonna show first the pieces I used. All this over here, from this rock, this banner, the roof. I made a new floor, some stone, some decoration for the roof, and then the roof kind of like a centerpiece. So all this over here is I made it this week, so everything is new. This is my old assets I used. This Mario type of decorations. This some walls and floors, and over here is just organic kind of nature stuff. Over here, these are all the references I used for this environment. It is based on a game more or less called Immortal Phoenix Rising. You see all the photos I used for all the assets. And then over here, this was my attempt of making clothes for like a statue like this. I was trying to use the cloth what's it called, modifier, this one, and kind of just let the engine just fall in and then make like a robe type of thing. And then I made some adjustments, but it didn't really work, so I had to make it on my own, just using the soft selection and just model out the clothes. Over here is some stuff I used on another project, so I just bring it in and use it for reference. But I just ended up using it because I ran out of time, more or less. So now to the environment. You start like over here. There's like an entrance, and the thing with this entrance, I was trying to do. Let me just select this. Is that you can see the thing where you want to go, and you can see more or less the piece that you can look from afar, like this centerpiece over here, the statue. So this statue signifies like a landmark, and then this can be like another landmark, more or less. Uh, and there's a lot of sea fighting, but when you get close, it goes away. So you can see the statue from far away, and also the temple. But when you get to the level, you will see it both just together and the statue on the back. So it's gonna say, oh well, I want to go over there. So where do you go? Go to this center over here. You have three ways. You have the stairs, and the stairs lead to the environment you want to go. And also you have some exploration over here, like this temple and this shrine over here with the statue. And the temple is filled in, but it's pretty hard to just work inside of buildings. So it's just floors and that stuff. Other thing, the environment is like a island. As you can see, this is water, or it's supposed to be. This is not like the landscape, but this is the idea of the landscape. And over here too. So when you walk up the stairs, you can see there's a lot of set design or set pieces on the water, some ruin, and some decorations around this area. More or less show off it. There's some columns and the entrance over here. Just made with individual pieces. Then this. And then this is the more or less this shrine, right? And then over here, just show off more or less. This entrance was made with the assets I already have, you know. And then over here, I use symmetry for this. The symmetry modifier, and you know, it's just kind of made a lot of new assets with the modifiers. Just rebuilding them. So when you get to the stairs, you're gonna see this area over here. It's like a resting area, more or less, kind of thing. You can walk around. Uh, it's pretty empty, but you can I can add a lot of more stuff. This is the statue again. You can also see from this statue where you want to go again. You know, left on your left. It's just some sitting area over here with some trees. Then this is like a type of nature where I can put some plants, some water, some benches where you can sit. Then you get eventually to these stairs over here, and when you walk up the stairs, you can see this is like a garden with almost like a centerpiece in the middle. It's just a fountain, and some other fountains lying around with some walk stones over here, a path you can follow. I made this like type of a hill over here, more or less. You can try and see it. This point, yes, it's like a hill, but it's supposed to be nature type of thing, cause it's filling in the with dirt like the stones kind of thing. So when you get to this area, this is a garden. You can see it more or less. There's another temple, shrine type of thing, with more trees around, because it's like more nature type of thing and more taken care of, you know. So there's gonna be like a more nature, more like uh, just clean stuff lying around. Then back here, it's like a balcony when you can see to the to the emptiness. I guess the ocean, right? Just some decorations. This is two different pieces. I just placed these all around like the edges to just mark where the edges are, like over here, over there. So these trees are also made, you know, the leaves I'll update them when I get to like materials. Over here, these some stairs that you can walk, uh, and you can see like to the abyss more or less. I wanted to show off like down there. There's the water or the river, and like this. It's kind of hard. This right here is like the kind of like a bridge, kind of stairs type of thing that you can walk. Over here, just more trees, more decorations. Over here, gonna add, more decorations too. Then you walk up the stairs, and on the stairs you can see like the whole shrine or the whole temple, right? With the statue on the back. So when you walk up, this is like another resting area. Over here is just another fountain with water, some trees, and then you get to the final just location, like the centerpiece. This area is supposed to be, open. There's a lot of stuff lying around, and then the roof, just decorations. And back here, see when I get close, it fits itself. But back here, this is where you're gonna find like the last like objective of the map, which is getting like this hidden sword, I guess. And the sword is just normal sword, kind of like a demonic sword. And over here is the final just centerpiece landmark statue that you can see from afar. It's pretty cool. off just the, let me see, nice grouped. But let me see if I can show like the this thing. Let's go birds. Oh, like this, right? So the birds, is just kind of all built up. I try to, make it clean. So just to make everything like look clean, like this. Let me see. There's no floating birds, right? And then another new asset is this stone, right? Let me just go to the over here. Just look at the quality, more or less. The only thing is just this area over here, but you know, looks clean. And then the roof's just pretty simple. Just use the bend and just use some boxes and you know fit them together. Then the floor is just a wall that I used from this one, and I just made it a little bit tinier and just fit into it like a floor type of material. This is just a stone with some chamfer around, and then this you can see more or less kind of clean. And that's about it. That's everything I have so far. So let me just go over here. So thank you, for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed like the whole environment. And I hopefully get to finish like the last part over here, which could turn out pretty nicely, you know. And like all this, it is just everything I learned so far, fit together within the level, and just using and reusing like a lot of the assets that he made. You see, like all this was made with just over here this stuff, and like you reuse a lot of things, like this kind of shield. You're gonna see the shield is used in the statue, right, right here, but it's also used in this centerpiece. I like these, circular piece, and just put these things around with the bend. I just bend this and just made it a little more angled. And this thing is also this thing, right? But it's just scaled to be like more squared. And then this thing over here, this is used. Let me see. I think this one is divided. Yes. You can see this is it's like a stone, but it's the same as this centerpiece over here, like this one, right? But I just removed the top and just made it symmetry from each other. So a lot of reused assets and a lot of cool stuff. It's a pretty nice environment. And when it gets into engine, it hopefully looks a little bit better, right? Because you see all the black stuff and sea fighting. How you call it? I don't know. But thank you for watching, and